Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving the problem maximum value of an ordered triplet. So we have given an array and we have to find the maximum value of a triplet that satisfy our specific formula. So we are giving the indexes I, j, k such that the I is less than j and j is less than k. Okay, and the value of a triplet of index is equals to nums of I minus nums of j multiplied by nums of k. Okay, so if you see this example, if I will index in 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I take this example and suppose I take I over here, j over here, and k over here, then according to this formula, nums of I minus nums of j multiplication of nums of k will give me 12 minus 1 multiply by 7, which will give me the maximum value. Okay, so there are uh, many approaches to solve this question, so we will first solve it through brute force. Okay, so we need to check all combinations of indexes I, j and k, and such that I is less than j and j is less than k. So we will calculate the values of the triplet and then track the maximum value. So I can create from starting with I equals 0 to n, and inside this for loop I will do for j will be equals to I plus 1. Okay, and then I will look for k to n. Okay, and inside this I will check if this satisfies the formula or not. We have to find the max and result. So we have to declare a variable press starting with 0, and I will just check for nums of I minus nums of j multiplied by nums of k. But the problem with this solution is it will give us the time complexity of big O of n cube. Okay. So we have to reduce the time complexity. So the second approach I can see is that so we can try to reduce the number of comparison by considering the best possible values for nums of I, j and k. So we can track from left and we can track from the right. So it is known that j is fixed. So what I can do is I can take the maximum values from starting from 0 to j and then j plus 1 to n. So what I'm trying to say is suppose we are given this array 0, 1, 2, 3. And what I will do, I will try j is fixed. Suppose j is here. Sorry, here. Okay. So I will try to check the maximum value in the left and the maximum value in the right. Okay. So 0 comma j in the left and j plus 1 comma n to the right. take left max. So I will take a left max array and a right array. Okay. And here I will in till end. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So if I try for this left max, so initially the value will be 0. Okay. Currently we don't have any value. So I will take first value 0, then I will compare for every iteration. So at first the I will check for the j minus 1 value. Okay, so j right now is here. So I will check the j minus 1 value. So currently j is equals to 0 and j minus 1 is equals to 12. So I will take the maximum of it. So 12 is the maximum, so I will update here 12. Okay, then j will move to here. So right now I will check again which is the maximum in the left. So again 12 is the maximum one. So if I iterate throughout the array, I will get 12 only, the maximum in the left. Now similar for right, I will check from here. So currently we will have 0 as the maximum. Then j will be here and I will iterate from right to left. So currently at fourth index the maximum is 0. Okay, and j plus 1 is 7. So in the to consider the maximum one, 7 is the maximum, so I will update here and I will move forward here. Okay, then again 7 will be the one, and till the end I will do this, and when I get here j here this index, I will check for j plus 1. So till here 7 will be the maximum, so I will update 7 here. Okay, so we get our left and right max array. So how I can write this, that left max of j is equals to max of left max at j minus 1 comma nums, that this is the previous value and this is the current value that I'm standing with, j minus. And similarly for right, I will do right max of j is equals to max of right max j plus 1 comma nums of j plus 1. Okay, and then I will create a for loop. I will iterate from j equal 1 to n, and I will keep the answer as the max of answer, comma left max of j. We got the left max minus nums of j multiplied by right max of j. Okay, and then we will return the answer. But here also time complexity will be big O of n, but space will take big O of n as well. So we will try to optimize the space as well. Okay. So the another approach we will optimize the space. So till now we were fixing j. So now what I will do, I will fix k here. Okay. In this array. And I will fix the k. Okay, and according to our formula, nums of I minus nums of j into nums of k, we have to find this maximum. So if this will be maximum, then the result will be the maximum as well. And in this, nums of I should be maximum as well. Okay. So we need the maximum difference, okay, and the maximum I, right? So I will take these variables and I will, in my answer, I will do the max of answer, comma, the maximum difference, right? We are multiplying the maximum difference with the nums of k. So maximum difference multiplied by nums of k, right? And in the max difference, what we are doing, we are multiplying the max of I from the nums value, okay, and in the max of I, what I am doing, I am finding the maximum value of max I and nums of k. Okay. So currently, suppose max difference is 0, right? And we are standing at 12. So it will do the subtraction. First, I will check the maximum difference. Maximum difference I will find, this will be 0, right? So I will find the maximum difference here. So the maximum might is 0 and nums k is 12. So my answer will be ultimately 0 and 0 only. And then I will update the max. So max is currently 0 and nums of I is 12. So max of I will be updated to 12. So this iteration we will go to all of the values in the array. Okay. So this will take the time complexity of big O of n and space big O of constant space here. Okay. So let's go. Let's find the length first. Then I will take the variables. Then I will run a for loop from int k equals to 0, k less than n, and k plus plus. Then I will save the result in math.max of result of max difference multiplied by nums of k. Then I will find the max difference with math.max max difference comma max of 5 minus nums of k. Then I will find the max of 5 with math.max and max of I comma nums of k. Result return result. Now I will run it.